Hey guys, welcome. This is Abhinav and आज हमें एक नया पैकेट मिला है from Amazon. So we'll do the unboxing of what product I have called. कैमरा रखा हुआ है Nikon का, so idea लग जाएगा कि product is related to some camera only. So basically what we have ordered is a lens cleaning system, which is Nikon 7072 lens plan cleaning system. So we'll try to unbox and use it. So this is a very nice packaging from Amazon, and let's see what we have got inside the package. So stay with me for the complete unboxing of this video. Let's open this, and there you go. Lens frame from Nikon. So as it says, it will not scratch or damage the lenses. Unique lens pen tip, cleaning compound, no sprays, no chemicals, no liquids, no residue. Convenient, portable, environmental safe. Nikon sportoptics.com. So safe and cleaning instructions. So these are the instructions. This is the packing. Seal is there. Yes, of course. So let's try to open it up. So this is the lens pen that we are referring to here. Let's take this out. And this is it. A pen from Nikon. So let's check what do we have here. The tip, right, and of course the brush. Clean, nice and soft. So this is the entire lens cleaning system. Now let's try on our lenses. Okay, seems bit of dirt, scratch, some residue on the top. Let us see if it works. Okay, seems good. Always use this in a circular motion. yes, it works good. And we'll clean this a bit. So you can see the difference. This is it. So this is a short video about the lens cleaning system that we have ordered from Nikon. So let us use this product for some more time, and I'll definitely come with all the challenges that I have. Extremely portable and a good device, the Nikon lens pen. So this is Abhinav signing off, and if you have any queries, if you have any doubts or issues regarding this lens pen or some sort of a cleaning system, do like this video, ask in the comment section, and we'll be happy to address all your queries. A few more things I would request, that always keep a pump, air pump and brushes etc. with you, and try to keep a filter on the top of lens like I have kept. So this is a filter which is there on top, you can see. So we have kept this filter so it protects the lens from dirt and everything. So this is the lens basically, you can see. Right? Internal dirt, I'm not sure how to take over, but let's try with the external. So I'm hopeful that yes, this system is effectively going to work. So let's use it for a while. And it works effectively, no issues faced so far. So it will not scratch the lens, it's a soft compound, right? So simple and easy to use machine, keeps your lens neat and clean, safe. So people like me who are always traveling, so who are always using the camera in some harsh conditions, a must recommended product for you. This is the Nikon lens cleaning system. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and we'll be coming forward with more solutions, what we have, what we are using, what technologies and gadgets we have in our bag. So this is Abhinav signing off, and yes, don't forget to press that subscribe button for getting notifications and the bell icon to get the notification of all the videos that I upload. So this is a new thing which is in my bag. Thank you guys, this is Abhinav signing off.